Today we're here to launch our grants program. We've got a $15 million grants program to provide up to 50% of the cost of installing a DC charger. So this is about grants for not-for-profits, small business, medium business and local governments to encourage the installation of fast chargers across Western Australia. They can get up to $5,000 for an individual charging station in the metropolitan area, or up to $7,500 for an EV charging station in regional Western Australia. The good news in Western Australia is that businesses are very keen to be part of this new EV revolution as we get towards net zero. Small businesses are just as committed to seeing action on climate change as large companies, but we want to really help those small businesses. We want to help local government, we want to help not-for-profits as they move towards EVs to reduce carbon emissions. $3.5 million is available right now, and people should go to the website and make their application so you can install fast chargers in your workplace, whether you're a not-for-profit, a local government, a small business or a medium-sized business. Now's the time to get part of the EV revolution. Get involved with Charge Up so that we can increase the number of charging stations in Western Australia and make EVs even easier to use.